Can you put a TV mount on any type of TV? Well, as you can see here, I have a TV mounted on the cabinet. It's a wood cabinet, and yes, nowadays TV mounts can be used on any type of TVs as long as there is a VESA hole behind the TV, and all the TVs out there, they have VESA holes. Right, come here, let me show you this. Okay, as you can see behind here, I have already mounted this TV onto this TV cabinet, and if I want to remove this TV, I just pull this up like this, and then I can just remove the TV from the mount. Alright, as you can see here, a VESA hole is actually these 4 holes behind here. Okay, the 4 holes. So as long as you have these 4 VESA holes, you are able to place these TV brackets, and you can actually mount any type of TVs. Okay, and it's that easy to remove a mounted TV, and it is very important to mount your TV because I feel that you have more space. You got more space as you have already placed the TV onto a mount, and down here you have a lot of space. And if your TV is on a stand like this, you see the TV is now has occupied a lot of space in your hall. Right, so I'm gonna fix this TV back. It's that easy. Just carry up, put the TV onto the TV mount. So I've already placed the TV right here, and then you just pull this TV down like that, according to the mount and according to the TV tilt. Right, this TV mount is special because you can actually tilt your TV up and down, and you can only do this when you have a TV mount and you have mounted a TV. Tilting is really important because it adjusts your viewing angle so that you don't have any pain when you are going to watch your TV. So that is the information for you today. See you guys later.